Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the send a message when someone boosts your server on the Discord application feature. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Discord button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Go to the top and click on the second button on the left side, which is the server image. Click on the More button next to the server name indicated with 3 dots. Click on the Settings button on the right side down below. Tap on Overview. Scroll down to the System Messages Settings category. Go to the third feature, send a message when someone boosts this server. In order to turn it on, click on this button on the right side and then tap on the save button at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.